This is my creation, tabletop name showpiece. I will be giving you all the detailed steps to make this beautiful showpiece. So stay tuned with me till the end to see how I made this. Firstly, I am going to show you what all I have used. This is the rainbow glitter, which will make your project super gorgeous. This is the token of love which I got from DMC. Now this is Little Swirl Candies mix, which my daughter loves the most. This is micro mini pearl beads. This is Hug Me sequence, and this is silicone mold. I have already prepared resin in the given quantity. Then I'll be putting some rainbow glitters in it and stir it well in only one direction so that it spreads everywhere. I want to make it on my name, on the name of my daughter, Shubhra. Now, SHUBRA. Now I will be pouring this in SURHB and A, and wherever space is left, I will be covering it with this stick only. Please take care of your hands from this resin. It is harmful. See how glittery it's been looking already. Now I have some extra left, so putting it in tea. Now I am taking micro pearl bead in one container and pouring it where resin is already poured. Pour it at randomly. Now with the help of stick, I'll be pressing it inside so that wherever space is left, it will be covered. Now I'll be pouring some random candies. It makes the project look attractive. These are so super cute. Actually, all the DMC products are of multi-use. You can use it as a complementary or as a main item. It gives its own identity after putting it in the project. See how gorgeous it's looking. Now with the help of stick, I will be pressing it little bit inside and making space for sequence. After this, I will be using Hug Me sequence so that my project will give complete look of girly type. Same process I will follow to dip it inside with the help of stick so that no place is left over. See how beautiful it's looking. I will be keeping this for overnight so that they become sturdy. Resin needs almost 6 to 7 hours for becoming sturdy. So I will be keeping this overnight. Now in the morning I took out all the alphabet very slowly and see how beautiful it's looking after using DMC products. This is my daughter's name, Shubhra, Shubra. Now, for making stand, I am using iris paper from DMC. Taking the measurement for making stand, you can use any paper from DMC. This is the best product of DMC, trimmer plus scoreboard. This is for scoring and this is for trimming. Now, I have already trimmed the paper for size 12 by 4.5 inch. Now I'll be scoring at 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2. This is to be done all the 4 sides. Now I am chopping off the square which is intersected by all the scored lines. All the 4 squares to be chopped off. Like shown in the video. Burnish all the scored lines very well. This is the most important part. Now either of the 2 sides scored at 0.5 till second line and then draw diagonal line till third end as shown in the video and cut it from both the sides. Now I will be using tacky tape to stick all the borders as shown in the video. Stick this as shown in the video. Now I will be using this beautiful coin light available with DMC to give the night lamp view. See how I am securing it so that the light effect will be all over. Before sticking all the things, just see that light is reaching everywhere or not. Otherwise your project will not look nice. Now here is a gap, through that I am sending the wire to the back. And see how I am securing all the edges. And then I'll be sticking it. Then stick the coin at the back side so that you can refill it anytime. See how I am securing all the edges. This is the acetate sheet. I am chopping it off with the measurement of my stand. And will be sticking it with tacky tape. I am using this acetate sheet so that it can hold my alphabet on it and light will pass through. Now I'll be taking the place of alphabet, and by using tacky tape I'll secure the places of my alphabet. Finally, with the help of tacky tape, I'll secure the places of the alphabet. And with the help of this opulent foiled paper pack, I will be decorating this whole stand. To get the girly look, I have taken this pink paper. Now, by taking the measurement with the help of scale, I will be chopping off this paper with the help of trimmer. With the help of glue, I am sticking all these papers, all the sides. Now with the help of this paper and dye, I'll be making lace and sticking it all the sides. Now lastly, I'll be using this beautiful metal charms to look my project like Sinhasan. See how gorgeous it's looking. Perfect gift for anyone. Thank you friends for staying with me till the end. If you like the project, please do comment and press the like button. It will boost my confidence. Thank you.